Yeah, look at these turkeys. Even got little baby ones. There's some wild turkeys. They even got a turkey feather. Those big old things. Gonna be Thanksgiving over here, yeah. Have a little turkey dinner. No, just kidding. Those things are probably attacking. Yeah, look at these things. I haven't seen turkeys like this since Aftershock. But these are legit wild turkeys. Oh, I don't want to scare them because they have babies. They're eating those things. Look at their little thingies. Look at that. Oh, look at the little babies. Oh, they're so cute. There's a big one right there. The mamas and the babies. Came over here to see if I could find some more feathers. You hear them? Oh, look at the babies. They're so cute. They're big babies too. Hey, they're following their mama. They're pretty chill. There they go. Little pilgrimage over there. Oh, the babies. Trip, y'all. We got a road over there, and then you got wild turkeys just chilling over here with their babies. That little guy, that girl, that little thing. They don't make any noises over there. Don't want to get too close because I want to respect them. They see me though. Look at, she's looking at me. I feel like I'm in Red Dead Redemption right now, y'all. Look at that thing. Oh, it's hiding in the brush now. Yeah, just, look at them. They're just chilling in a circle. They're having a little witch meeting over here. They're summoning more babies, I think. They're cool. I'm a sucker for animals, yeah. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Aww. Other babies are on the other side. Look at that. Oh, there they go. There they go. Following their mama. Oh, run! Look how many babies are hiding in there. Look at that, y'all. Run, run, run! Look at that. You know there's that many. They're all hiding in there. Look at that. They're so cute. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Now the rest of the babies are over there. Go, baby. Go join your family. It's still right there. It's like all figuring out. Poor thing. Poor baby. Go. Go, baby. Oh my gosh, this little guy. He's a little dopey, isn't he? I got this one over here. Hopefully it saves it because Loki invested in this. Oh, this tree is pretty cool. You got a turkey over here. You got the baby still trying to figure things out. Look at that. You got those ones all looking over there, watching over there. Babies all running around. You know, they left one. Poor little thing. Look at it. It's all looking at it like, why'd you leave me? You forgot about me. Luckily it has this one. Oh, there's another baby. There's more babies, yo. There's more babies. What? Yo. Oh, shit. Yo, problem solved. I joined the vlog. Just in case you were as invested as I am. Found some more turkeys. Turkeys. Gobble, 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 gobble. Oh, so it's like in California. Road over here. Wild turkeys over here. Let me see if I can get a better view. Turkey-lurkeys. Come on, come on. That sunset. It's a beautiful sunset. You can literally see the sun rays. They say it takes billions of years from the center of the sun to reach the top, but it only takes about 8 minutes for the sun rays to reach Earth. I'm in fact a space nerd. A little bit.